Alrighty folks, working on a Blazer today. If you guys have followed along with my channel, you know we've been chasing an EVAP leak code, a PO455, which is a gross leak, no flow. It's saying on my scanner, and we've checked the vent valve, we've checked the purge solenoid valve, put a new gas cap on it, which you guys didn't see that part. Nothing, still going. So I finally broke down and made a smoke machine, homemade smoke evap machine thing, which I'll have a video on, and diagnosed it, which I'll have a video on. And now it's time to fix it, so let's get to it. Alright, here we are in the back. The issue is a broken evap line. It rusted through where the poly meets the steel. Rusted right through. It was leaking. As soon as I touched it, it snapped in half. So it's chiseled. So first order of business, I jacked it up, put a jack stand under it, removed the wheel. Next order of business, you guys can't see very well. There we are. Alright, next order of business. There's this mud flap guard thing. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those plastic rivets. We gotta pop out, then that should pop out, and then I should be able to find that line and identify it and take it off. That's the goal anyway. Hopefully it's not that bad, and hopefully I don't have to drop the tank. Alright, so I removed the cap, the cover I mean. Just had these, you know, little plastic rivet things. You just take your, they make a tool for it. This is a OEM Tools part number 25313 maybe, or an 8. I don't know. Focus. I think you can see that. It works like a charm. And I'm back here. It looks like someone's been in here and replaced the brake line. I'm not liking how it's done, but I'll add that to the list one day to take care of. Other than that, I think this right here is our line in question that needs replacing. It is a bit crusty, to say the least. So yeah, not gonna be fun, but we'll get her done. Alright, time to do some digging. Okay, so you can see that on the ground there. It's not the line I thought it was that I had pulled up to order, so thank goodness I pulled it out to look at it first. But there's the issue right there, one of them. Not supposed to do that. Also, not supposed to have a hole in it. Yep. There's that. So yeah, crusty and rusty. So I thought I'd add, I forgot, that's the fuel vapor line that I think runs all the way to the purge cylinder. You could test that if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. Connects to the canister Runs all the way back down the frame. There's, by the fuel filter, there's a little quick connect. And I had to use the, out of my kit, and use the big one for 5/16 3/8 tubing. Popped it out. No problem. First time I ever got to use this kit, so glad I had it. I don't know what the heck that was. Did not sound good. But it pays to have the right tools. Like that, and the smoke machine. So, yeah. I guess the goal is to find a new part. If not, I'm going to cobble this together and make it work. So, that's it for now. I think I found it. The issue. I'm thinking that's the only issue. Hoping that's the only issue. So, I'll keep you all updated when it's time to put her back together, I guess. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. You can follow me on social media. Facebook, Instagram, both K30Crazy. As I end all my videos, stay crazy and have a good one, people.